Adding days to a date in Python. I have a date the 10th of October 2011 MDY and I want to add 5 days to it using a Python script. Please consider a general solution that works on the month ends also. I am using following code. Print date is printing the 10th of October 2011 00 column 00 column 00. Now I want to add 5 days to this date. I use the following code. Which returned this error.
The previous answers are correct, but it's generally a better practice to do. Then you'll have, using datetime.timedelta.
Import timedelta and date first. And date.today will return today's date time, which you can then add a timedelta to it.
If you happen to already be using pandas, you can save a little space by not specifying the format.
This might help.
Melhor, vegetable, is possible to